Rock with me now. Got a long way to go.
On private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Hi guys, today is Friday, January 23rd, 9:43. Today I'm starting off my vlog because tomorrow we're gonna do a whole spend a day with us. Since we seen in the news that it's gonna be a huge snowstorm and stuff. Sunday? But they said to get ready now, stuff now.
No,
Sunday. Okay, so Sunday's gonna be the snowstorm, and Monday they send out emails saying that for me in my college, there's not gonna be no school. Probably it's gonna be online, but not in person. So we're gonna do some shopping, grocery shopping tomorrow. So you guys are gonna come along with me. I'm gonna do a whole spend a day with me. I'm gonna show you guys the snow and stuff like that. Cause I'm trying to be more active on YouTube. Cause I've been active on TikTok. Follow my new TikTok. This is my old one right now. My recent one, it's not like. It says account not recommended. I don't know why, but since I have the DJI, I'm gonna be posting a lot of content for y'all. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I start my day. Good morning, chat. It's 11:07 in the morning. Today we're gonna get starting to get ready for the snowstorm. Technically, we have starting tomorrow. So today you guys are gonna spend a day with me. Like I said yesterday, I'm gonna start cleaning. I already ate, but I ate the food from yesterday, so that was my breakfast. And I think I have homework to do. I know they sent out an email saying we don't have school on Monday. We're gonna have it online. And what else? And yeah, so much. I'm gonna get up, change right now real quick, and then I'll start cleaning. So guys, my side of the room is done. I'm about to go clean my bathroom, and then we're gonna do some grocery shopping because I heard my parents are going to Costco. It's 12:50, so I'm about to go clean the bathroom right now. So let's go. Too much, but you gotta stop moving too much. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm gonna put you in the tripod. So we're still in the Christmas spirit, so we're gonna take these out. No more Christmas. Okay, chat, since I have nothing to do right now, come and do my lashes with me. So I have these as well, but I'm gonna try to use the tube. See if I get it. Put the bonnet and see it. I got this from Amazon, so I told her more. Period. she's done, chat. Chat, so you guys gonna come and grocery shopping with us at Costco. Our favorite store of all times, Costco. Costco. We're gonna do our monthly shopping, but also getting ready for the snowstorm that we're gonna have tomorrow. And Monday's gonna be probably all stores closed, so we're gonna be prepared and not be OD, and we're gonna get the stuff that we actually use and need. So the first thing my dad's gonna do is get some gas. Why the side eye is crazy. But I'm so ready just to run their pockets. But he's gonna put some gas right now, and we'll see you guys when we go inside of Costco. For everything, they're not playing. We made it to Costco. Let's go. Damn, bro.
Mama?
See? Go, ready to run his pockets. Okay, see you guys inside. Okay, so qué funny eres. He's still laughing. It's not that funny. Okay, what are we here for? Damn. No hay nada. Están a $10. Ay, no, pues son de niños. Mira. Damn, he pushing me for what? Look at this. This is the Lululemon Zoop. Ay, no, pues está carito. Yo quiero uno.
Mira los bathing suits.
Esta. Yeah, man.
Incluso más duritos son.
Algún ve. Y ponerla así.
O para tu ducha.
Para mi ducha. Para, pues era para tu baño. Para el mío no hay campo. Okay, y fresh. Calientito. Croissant. The chicken, roasted chicken line theory was a lie, but nah. You're not gonna go make the line for the roasted chicken?
I don't like
No, si no hay la...
No solamente mía. Bread. We have bread. Hoy $5 está el pollo. Chicken is on fire. 619, guys. I won. Yeah, see that right there? 619. Like 2. Yeah. See you soon. Have a good night. How long you think we're gonna survive with the food that we bought? I believe a month or 2. Right, ma? Sí, me van a dar puntos, me van a dar. Puntos más puntos más puntos.
Yo nunca recibo nada de esos puntos.
Okay, como que right now in the core. But y'all, how long y'all think this gonna last? Y'all see that? They sponsor us because we're here every day, every year, right, ma?
¿Lo dobló o...?
But I'll see you guys at home. Chat, it's 10:21 in the night. Technically, the snowstorm don't start until like 1 in the morning or 2. I was the one of the guesser of how much you think we were gonna pay, so I was close. But I will see you guys tomorrow when we see snow in the morning. Morning, chat. Today is Sunday. And let me show you guys the snow. Cause why not? Look, I mean it's gonna be freezing. But you ready? It's starting to snow right now. Ooh, and it's cold. You see that? Technically, it's gonna snow all day until like I believe in the afternoon. We're gonna make some breakfast right now. We thought we was gonna buy the instant coffee, but since we have already the coffee that we make in the brew, the blondie this, blondie espresso, this and that. Guess what I bought? What I told my parents to buy. The Nescafe Gold Espresso Blondie. A brick. So we're ready. Let's go do some laundry on this weather, y'all. We gotta go do that laundry before.
What are you, a streamer now? Streaming?
I'm not streaming. I'm
It's on Twitch, bro. You know damn well you don't do good.
No, I'm not. So we're gonna go to the basement, do some laundry to get damage on the snow. So see you guys when I'm doing something productive and fun. Something productive. Why is it going up and down? Like productive, very active. Oh, you okay? So you can follow me now. So let's go. In case the power goes off and we don't have nothing else. Oh, it does follow you. That's crazy. This is not a sponsored video, but we use Gain to put inside the clothes to give it more, not flavor, but like more smell. And it was on deal in Walgreens, so we had to hop on the deal. So this is done. We turn on. We press hot, medium, we press start, and then we put it up right now. That's how I do laundry, y'all. We have to bring those clothes up and stuff. Guys, later when I'm folding the clothes or something. So guys, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put you like right there so y'all can see me. Right now I'm gonna put the towels in this house. So still laundry. As you guys can see, there's laundry over there. Why is not zooming in? But let me show you guys the snow outside because it's snowing badly, like super bad. You cannot barely see it outside. But let's go. We have 9 minutes left. We need to do because my sister already cleaned her home, so I'm like that. These things up. Okay. You. Oh, there's
Freeze.
what? Oh my goodness. Oh no, guys.
Whoa, no.
Super. Hmm?
Come here.
Open. Damn, Chad, look.
Damn.
I guess Mother Nature had other plans. But y'all, we have no school on Monday, so that's a good thing. Tuesday we go back. But yeah, Chad. This away. Let's go. My room is divine clean. We just gotta pick up some stuff for my sister's friends, and you commenting, just know our room is clean. Bag done, basket done, y'all. There's our mini closet. tuning in with us because we're the baddest family ever. I'm just joking. Say hi, vlog.
They made it so the inside they have to hold.
He's cold. You're not even outside. Say hi to my vlog, Gabriel. Say hi to my vlog, Joel. Say hi to your friends that be watching my vlog. So I'm watching my girl, Stacy. I love her vlogs. But keep watching, y'all. So chat, since it's cold outside, we're gonna do some soup. This. Right? In the pot. There. From my last clip, you saw we were at Costco. We bought chicken drumsticks. Nice. So we could do 1 and 1. Chicken what?
Chicken what?
Rice. Rice.
¿Cuánto vienen de 5?
3, 4, 5. Yeah. We put it there. Soup. And see how they're gonna be the judges on how it's gonna taste. Because I seen my dad do soup. You know, we're Hispanic. So they were comer sopa en fin de semana. I forgot to throw out the garbage yesterday. Now I have today in the snowstorm. So wish me luck. Hopefully I don't fall and trip. But, yeah. Let me put some shoes on.
Ay, ¿cómo te voy a grabar si me estás cesando?
Wait, double click the thing so it could like go down. Why is it not going down? Ooh, I don't want it to get wet either. I cannot feel my toes. I cannot feel my toes. It's super cold. It's cold outside and the snow is deep.
Beyonce.
I'm gonna put the pasta. Yeah,
That looks like it's gonna be more than 12 inches.
Yeah. He's playing jokes on me right now. He never told me that.
No.
You're a lot.
Pues sopa. Va a ser seco de fideo.
No importa. Guys, our soup is served.
El restaurante italiano al que fuimos juntos.
For the cookies, cause
¿Qué es ese?
it smells good. Sopa blanca. Una sopita blanquita con su guacamole.
¿Estás segura de que esta es? Solo trata de mantenerme
Chat, the snow, it's deep. Like badly. Like y'all see that? Y'all see that, guys? It's no joke out here. But we gotta help clean though. In this snow as weather. Oh my god, I'm not trying to get my phone. Oof. Okay, guys, I'll see you when I get inside. Guys, it's not worth it to go out. Because look, just for like a minute or two, my hands are freezing. I'd rather just stay home in the hot. But they're not playing about the 6-inch snow or 10-inch snow because it's real bad out there. But yeah, look. They're not playing about that snow. watching this vlog. So guys, I will end up the vlog here on this snowstorm. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. But make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.